Wow, I'm so excited. I wonder whose birthday it is. I wonder. What? Uh, uh, Sorry for making you travel so far. Yeah, sure, your birthday. But don't worry, it's perfectly safe around here. Also, before we start, do not go near the basement. Why not? Weird things have been happening down there that are unexplainable. And we don't want anything to ruin the fun. Anyway, I'm here with my friend Connor. Hey guys, I'm Connor.
Thank you for inviting us all, Ruby.
No problem. Feel free to look around the house, then we can start opening gifts. But it's my birthday. Soon. No, it is. Whatever, fine. Just don't acknowledge my existence, why don't you? Oh, well. Well, I guess there's really nothing I can do now, is there? Okay, everyone. Time to give Ruby his presents. You all brought a present, right?
Guys, we forgot to buy Ruby a present. What do we do? Don't worry, look around for something we can give him.
Okay. Quit talking to yourself. We'll be right back. We're just gonna tie our shoes. Together. Look around the house for an item to give to Ruby. Ooh, teddy bear.
Okay, let's go give Ruby his present.
Yay, birthday party. Should have been mine, but sure.
Here you go, Ruby. Your very own teddy bear.
This looks very similar to the teddy I have upstairs. But thank you for the present, guys. Hey, it ain't about the gifts anyway. It's about the thought. Anyway, how about we play some party games?
Yes, I love party games.
First, we can play an item. Hunt game. Whoever finds the item first wins. Oh, right. The first item you want to find is the piggy bank. if I had a piggy bank, I would have put it in a room. Where's the piggy bank? No, no, no. Piggy bank. Hello, piggy bank. Where's the piggy bank? I don't see a pig. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Okay, everyone. The first item has been found. The next item I want you to find is a rubber ducky. Alright, it's right in here because it's the bathroom. Alright, the second item has been found. The next item I want you to find is a stack of books. Well, it's right here. It's just up right. You guys are good at this. Let's do one more item. The next item I want you to find is a pillow. Well, obviously it's in bed. You know what? I'm gonna give it to this girl. Hey! I already found 3 items. No, it's right here. Come on, right here. Come on. No, come on. Right here. See? Look, right here. You can have it. Good job, guys. I think that's enough for the item hunt now. Yeah. You guys didn't do anything. I'm hungry. How about we make a cake?
Yay, I love cake.
Okay, let's make one. There should be ingredients located around the house. We will need flour, eggs, milk, and butter. Oh, we're looking for them right now? Okay. Look around for the house for the ingredients. Oh, milk! We got milk. I got some milk. What else? What else do you need? Wait, what did they say? Okay, flour, eggs, butter, sugar. I play Minecraft. I know how to make a cake. Where are your ingredients? Hello? I don't think they would be up here. Where are your ingredients? Your ingredients. Hello? Oh, I got it. Flour. You got all the ingredients. Now, I'll make the cake. Now it's your birthday. Let us do it. I know how to cook. I do. I'm learning. That cake looks delicious. Thank you. Connor, turn the lights back on. I know you turned them off. What? I'm right next to you, Ruby. Who turned the lights off then? I think it was you. For years, I have watched your every move.
Who are you?
I am your worst nightmare.
Whoa. Watch out, the cake is on fire. Find something to put it out. And quickly. I got the fire extinguisher. No, that person probably already has it. I got the fire extinguisher. Yeah. We found the fire extinguisher. Don't worry, we got this. Phew. That was close. Good thing we had that fire extinguisher. Otherwise, we would have been done for. Well, no, we could just run out of the house before the house got on fire. But sure! Whatever you say. Whatever you say, pal.
What was that thing?
I don't know. And why did it say that it was watching our every move? Anyway, I think it's time for bed. Okay. Good night. I'm going into... Oh, there's no green room. Oh well, I'll just sleep in here. Good night. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Anyway. Good morning. Do you know where Ruby is? No.
No, I haven't seen him.
Why would I know? I just woke up. Can you look around the house for him? Sure. Why not? Ruby! 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 Weird. Ruby isn't anywhere. Look at the stairs. There are footprints leading to the basement.
Connor, do you know what's down in the basement?
It used to be a storage room until it collapsed and revealed an old mining system. Do you think Ruby went in there? You can check while I stay here in case Ruby comes back. Okay, let's go look for Ruby. Yeah, let's go. Come on. And I don't know what happened to Ruby, but he's being weird.
Okay, guys, this is the basement.
Let's find Ruby.
Huh? A three-way tunnel?
What do you think, guys? Let's pick a tunnel. One of them should lead to Ruby. Ruby. Pick the correct tunnel. Let me know if it's safe. I chose the correct tunnel. I did not choose the correct tunnel. It was actually her. Thank goodness.
It looks like we're in the ancient mining system. Look, there's a gap in the wall. Let's see where it leads us to.
There's a person down here.
Guys? Who is that?
Ruby, is that you?
No, I'm not Ruby. I'm Ellie. I've been stuck down here for so long.
Why are you down here?
The monster chased me down here and attacked me. Get it down quick.
Guys, it's me, Ruby.
Don't listen. The monster can shapeshift into anyone. It knows you're looking for Ruby.
I'm okay. Come to me and we can go back.
Do not listen to it.
You will never leave this place alive.
That was a close one.
Yeah, now all we need to do is find a way out of here. But we can't leave Ruby, and besides, those ramps are too steep to climb. And then we'll have to find another way out. If I remember, there should be a hammer in the entrance. We can break the boards and get out of here.
Finding the hammer.
You did it. Now, break those wooden planks.
That was easy.
Before we go, can you find something to help me get up?
Sure. I'll go find... No, none of these work. I don't know what to help you with. Hello? What do we do? Oh, this.
Thank you. Now let's get moving.
Sure, let's go. This is an interesting birthday party.
Okay, we made it to the next room, which is an obby.
I wasn't expecting a parkour course.
Me neither. These mines are very confusing. I'll go first to make sure it's safe.
Oh. Okay. Take your time.
It seems safe to me, but mind the lava. You don't want to fall in.
No, we don't. Okay, look, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Don't die, please. I might die though, but no. Don't worry. We'll make it out. Wait, we're both making it. Yeah. For scale. Oh! Careful. Okay.
Good job. You guys made it.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did.
It seems like we're in a maze.
Maid? What?
You have to find a way out.
But you said maid instead of maze, though. That's kind of funny. I'm laughing. Alright, if I was a maze person who knows the way out of a maze, I would want to follow the lights. The lights. The light. Listen, I was never there. I was never... Oh, okay, we're doing... You know what? This is my first time in this maze. So I didn't make a mistake yet. Look!
We found the exit. Let's go.
Well, I didn't, actually, but... You know, I guess that's karma for what I did earlier. Connor! Ruby! Help! Connor's trying to kill me! What? That's not Ruby. It's the monster.
I don't know who to trust.
Me neither.
We know that the monster can shapeshift into anyone. It could be either of them. I'm going to have to choose who to kill.
What? We could just. What? I don't know. I don't know. They think it's Ruby, so I guess we'll go with Ruby. To kill? Ruby was gone first. Oh, okay, I trust you. Wait, what? We chose to save Ruby? I thought it was killing Ruby.
Goodbye, Connor. I can't believe we just did that. Connor's gone.
I think Connor was good. We chose wrong. Connor was innocent.
Connor isn't the only one who's dying tonight.
No, I was wrong. I thought it was to kill Ruby. It literally just asked who are we going to kill. Why? That doesn't make any sense. That actually, whatever. This is the worst birthday party ever.